Okay, so I have this 2004 Mini Cooper. Had an intermittent problem with it. It wouldn't start. It would crank and crank and crank, but wouldn't turn over. Has spark. Has everything. Plenty of power. Runs fine, but once in a while it just won't start. So something I saw on the internet led me to believe that it was the gas cap, because it can affect it actually. For some reason. So I got a new gas cap and it actually helped. It started right up, and it's been starting on and off, pretty good, but once in a while it just won't start. So I saw another video where a guy had an intermittent problem similar to this one, and he suspected it was his fuel pump. So he took the back seat out, took the cover off, as you see I have, and exposed the fuel pump. So when you turn the key, you're supposed to hear the fuel pump start and kind of like prime up, so there's plenty of pressure for starting, and that wasn't happening. So in his video, he took a wrench similar to this one, small wrench, and tapped on the fuel pump, and sure enough, it started spinning again, and the car started right up. So I've ordered a fuel pump. It's about 60 bucks on Amazon, and maybe this will help someone else with this strange problem of a fuel pump dying very slowly, I guess, until it catastrophically fails and you're stuck somewhere. But whatever. I'm very happy and relieved to find out that it's just this, because as you know, Mini Coopers have a lot of problems, especially as they age. Anyway, you either become an expert on a Mini Cooper or you end up selling it. But unfortunately, my wife loves this car, and I guess I'll just have to buy her a new one eventually. Anyhow, hope it helps.